My name is Syed Nabil Hashmi. I'm the Chairman and CEO of Thermosol Industries Private Limited.
My name is Syed Akasul Hussaini.
मेरा नाम उस्मान सादिक है and I am the CEO of Plastech Autosave Private Limited.
My name is Almas Haider. I am the chairman of Spell Limited.
टोयोटा जो पाकिस्तान में आया, we have that privilege of being the first vendor.
They started looking out for suppliers of plastic products.
A lot of plastic parts, either this is dashboard or bumper or garnishes, we immediately approached IMC. That was the first instruction when we come into the touch with Toyota and IMC.
और हमारी एसोसिएशन जो है ये 1994 से है। आपका उस वक्त Corolite 40H बना करती थी and that's when we started supplying seat belts to Toyota.
The first component that we made for Indus Motor was a carrier spare wheel, which is fitted in the back of a car.
इंडस आज जहाँ खड़ी हुई है उसकी बुनियाद अली साहब ने ही रखी. As a family, he used to treat many of the suppliers.
टोयोटा ने कॉन्सेप्ट जो इंट्रोड्यूस कराया है कि आपस में कोऑपरेशन का, सबसे पहले तो टोयोटा ने हमेशा इनकरेज किया है कि इफ़ देयर इज़ एन इशू कम एंड डिस्कस ओपनली. ठीक है, उसका इनाम तो मिलता है, सज़ा आज तक नहीं मिली.
Toyota started to give us the learning and training about the TPS, which is a complete module and a very detailed system that how to start development. For example, if a new model is coming or new product is coming, the working starts around 18 months to 36 months back. So these type of things were very strange for us and very new for us, that how detailed working Toyota and IMC is doing for the products.
We came into this automotive safety system seat belts because of Toyota. Because उस वक्त उनकी रिक्वायरमेंट थी, डेवलपमेंट हो रही थी, दे वांटेड मोर पार्ट्स, दे वांटेड मोर टेक्नोलॉजी टू कम इन. बेसिक टेक्नोलॉजी तकरीबन उस वक्त तो एक्सप्लोर हो ही रही थी, बट हायर टेक्नोलॉजी यानी कि लीडिंग एज टेक्नोलॉजी लाना ऑटोमोटिव की, सो दैट वाज द नीड ऑफ द टाइम.
When Indus came in and we started making this very small component, after that we started developing door handles and little bigger products. Then one day, our great friend and mentor of most of the automotive industry, Ali Habib Saab, he called me one day and he said, Almas, I'm going to give you a challenge. And I said, what is that challenge? He said, can you make door trims? Now, door trims is a product which is done either under license by the manufacturers. I said, yes, we can do it.
Indus Motor took the lead. They trusted the local vendors, they developed the local vendors, and complete auto industry transformed into the auto part industry as well.
We offer Toyota over here the best product safety system in the world. ये नहीं है, मतलब आप अगर दुनिया में कहीं भी Toyota में जाएंगे तो जो ऑटोलीव का प्रोडक्ट होगा वही होगा जो इंडस में सप्लाई होगा.
Indus really takes them on and works hard with the vendors also, and make sure that whatever can be made in Pakistan should be made in Pakistan. So that's the history.
हमारी कंपनी का ताल्लुक जो है वो उसके साथ चलता रहे आगे for the next 50 years, 100 years.
We love to spend another 35 years with Indus Motor.
In a few years, we'll be talking about the 70 years and then 100 years.
I think we have a great relationship with Indus.
Toyota driving champions, driving Pakistan.
Toyota is driving champions and driving Pakistan.
Toyota driving Pakistan.
Toyota driving Pakistan.